So, you want to know about the history of the microforest?
The field station is located in western Pennsylvania on the southeast edge of the Westminster College property and is a 55-acre area that was first acquired by the college in 1964. The field station is within 20 miles of two PA state parks, McConnell's Mills and Moraine State Park. It houses a healthy biodiversity and wide variety of habitats that includes an arboretum, microforest, upland forest, floodplain forest, early and late successional plots, wetland, lowland thicket, field or meadow, marsh, spring-fed stream, and the Little Neshannock Creek.
And here we are at Westminster College and the field station. This plays an important part in turning out people who understand how the world works as a physical system and why that's important for politics, economics, medicine, urban planning, everything that we do.
Clarence E. Harms is currently the director of the Westminster College Field Station.
After the Revolutionary War, the federal government surveyed the land to give to Revolutionary War soldiers. They didn't have money to pay them, so they gave them in kind by giving them land.
Sadly, Clarence will no longer be the director of the Westminster College Field Station starting next semester, but we are pleased and excited to announce that Dr. Patrick Krantz will become the new director starting next year.